if this trading strategy you're using is not giving you consistent results, then you should throw it away and learn a new trading strategy, because that might be the reason why you are not making profits. Okay, you cannot make profit today and lose in the next 2 days. Okay, so this is not giving you a winning result like that. Okay, so consistency really matters in whatever you do. You need to know if the strategy you are using is actually taking you or moving you forward, or probably taking you backward. Okay, so you need to know the one that you are actually experiencing. So what I want you to do right now before we go into today's video is for you to check out your trade history for each day and see if you are having consistent profits on daily basis using the same strategy. If your strategy is not giving you consistent results, then definitely you should forget about the strategy and learn a new strategy. A year ago or over a year ago, I came across a strategy, unique strategy, which has actually been helping me. And with this strategy, I've been milking the market back to back on daily basis. I am not the only one. I mean, the members of my communities are also doing the same thing. That is why it is very easy for me to give free trading signals to members of my community so that they too can also benefit from it. And that is why I was able to come up. I was able to build a strategy, a custom made indicator around this strategy, which will help us to analyze the market in a better way. In short, a newbie can actually make use of these trading tools and analyze the market and be able to pick up profitable trades. And of course, if the rules of the game is well followed, such person is most likely to win his trading activities on daily basis. Okay, that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, in order to prove this right, okay, we picked up this signal yesterday and it was dropped in the Telegram channel, and check out the trading result. And here is the second signal we picked up yesterday. We started from here and check out the trading result. Okay, these are some of the things which we usually achieve right here on this particular platform. So guys, if you want to learn the same strategy which we are using right here, I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will have a better understanding of how it works. Okay, and you too can also learn and practice it from your end, and of course you can try it out on your real account after you must have perfected the trading strategy. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp if you want to know more about my trading tool. Okay, now quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Yesterday, I dropped a signal within the Telegram channel on GainX 1200, and of course guys, I also did a video about it so that you guys will also benefit from it. Okay, so this happened to be the entry point for everyone. Either you watched the video or you saw the signal in the Telegram channel. You can go back to my Telegram channel if you didn't pick up the signal. Okay, this is the entry point, and this is where our stop loss is. First of all, the strategy which I use is the trend trading strategy, and we are on 15-minute time frame, so this is not a small it's not a trade for a short period. Okay, it is a really profitable trade. Okay, a really profitable trade. Okay, so this happened to be the entry point, and this right here happened to be the stop loss. Okay, so we add our first TP around here, and of course let's calculate the point for the first TP alone. If you had come in around here and close here, that is about 27 candles of 15 minutes. Okay, 27 candles, each of them are 15-minute candles. Okay, and of course this is giving us 11,912 points. Okay, that is huge enough. That alone gave us a lot of profits. Okay, and of course guys, we even add more. Second TP achieved, third TP achieved, fourth TP achieved, fifth TP achieved, and even went ahead, I mean, as far as getting to this resistance zone. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. So the beautiful part of this is that it is a trend trading strategy, so it will definitely deliver. If it's not going to deliver, then it will hit your stop loss and you will be taken away from the market. This is about 46,789 points. That's so amazing. That's so alarming. And right here is the stop loss, which means if it didn't go our direction, it will hit our stop loss at this point. Okay, so that's so amazing. So right now a new signal is popping, has already popped out. For those that are having the trading tool, you should be in profit right now. Okay, so this got to the resistance zone and was unable to break out above it, so it switched into a downtrend. Like I always tell you in most of my videos, I like getting into the trade when the market is switching. Okay, so this switch into a downtrend, and of course right here should have been your entry point, and right now you should have achieved the first TP and heading towards the second TP, and your stop loss should have been somewhere here. Okay, so this would have been amazing. However, we can still jump into it, but I'm actually waiting for a pullback before we can jump into it, because this is also going to be a very good opportunity for us to sell the market. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so that is how it works. I just hope there will be a major pullback, then we can now use that as an opportunity to jump into it, because this has actually gone far already. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, I'm also going to check out the second signal which we picked up yesterday. This is the second signal we picked up yesterday. For those that are able to watch my videos, okay, my video, the one I posted yesterday morning, this should be your entry point. Okay, and for those that are having this trading tool, this also should be your entry point. Your entry point should be somewhere here, while your stop loss should be somewhere here. Okay, and of course this will have given you more profits than what we are having right now. But if you missed my video and you are not having this trading tool, if you had followed the signal in the Telegram channel, this is actually our entry point. We entered very late because it has gone far already before I posted this on the Telegram channel, and of course this happened to be our stop loss. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, and TP4 almost achieved. Okay, so it had a major pullback, and I believe it's going back up now, and I also believe that it's going to achieve the last TP with that. Okay, but that's so amazing, and that is how we roll here, and that is how you can make a lot of profit with it. This is the beauty of trend trading strategy. Once you understand how it works, then you are most likely to milk the market each time you are going into it. So far you follow the rules and you use a good risk management system, then you are good to go. Okay, so now let's check out other assets for today. Okay, so I'm going to check GainX 999 right now. So this is GainX 999. This had been on downtrend for a while, and of course I told you yesterday that if it breaks out, sorry about it, if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell and may likely get to the last part of the support region, and that is what is happening right now. So after that, if it's not breaking out from there, then it should go fully into an uptrend, so you should watch out for that. So next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200, and this is at the support zone, and right now it's trying to go fully into an uptrend. So make sure you look out for that and see how you can get the best out of it. Okay, now let's check out PayNext 999. Okay, this is PayNext 999, and of course this had got into the resistance zone, and as you can see, it has played around there for a very long time. What it's trying to do is to see if it can break out above this resistance zone, but it has not been able to do that. So this is most likely to go fully into a downtrend, and it's going to sell for a very long time, because we have a lot of space here to milk. Okay, so you guys should watch out for that and see how you can milk the market on this particular asset. Okay, so this is how the trend trading strategy has been working for us, and it has been giving us consistent results, and most especially if you follow the rule to the very end, and if you are able to understand when the trend is switching from one trend to another. Okay, but if you don't know how to get that, then you can get this trading tool. It will help you to analyze better, and of course you will be able to improve in your trading activities. It is as simple as that, and it is applicable on all the other assets too. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? Okay, I will also advise you to subscribe to the Telegram channel, because right there you get free tips and free trading signals which you can put into use right from there. Okay, and of course, guys, if you want to know more about my trading tool, kindly send message to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.